Hi, and welcome to Capsule. I'll give you a quick tour and show you where everything is. If you want more detailed help, check out our YouTube channel or click on Support within Capsule. The dashboard is your main hub to view your recent projects, get inspiration from videos edited by real Capsule users, and invite other folks to check out Capsule. Let's jump into a project. This main menu on the top left is how I get back to my dashboard, access recently edited projects, and adjust my transcript display settings. I can start a new project by uploading media, an image, video, or audio file. In the middle, we've got the transcript from a video I've uploaded. And on the right is where I'll watch my video playback by clicking the play button. These bubbles are silences. I can cut them out manually by clicking on one and hitting delete, or I can have my AI co-producer help me with auto jump cut. Dragging the slider to the right will remove more of the silences. In the co-producer menu, I can also clean up my media's audio with VoiceMagic. This balances the spoken audio and removes background noise for a more studio quality sound. Let's hear the difference.
Hey Twitter, Amanda here. You don't see me too much on video, and that's about to change because Hey Twitter, Amanda here. You don't see me too much on video, and that's about to change because...
To make cuts, I highlight the transcript and hit delete. If I want to edit the transcript for my captions, I select 1 to 3 words at a time, hit this pencil icon, and fix any typos. To change the framing of my video, I click on the clip to open up the clip settings. I have scale options, or I can click on crop to open up more advanced options. I can change the video's position by typing in a number. I'll also change the scale to zoom in a bit. To add a graphic, I select the section of my transcript where I want it to appear, hit design, and choose from a list of options, like text, speaker info, or captions. To edit a graphic, I click on it from this list on the left. I can change the duration by dragging the edges of the yellow highlight. These graphics are a part of a pre-designed Capsule design system. I can change the look and feel of all my graphics by choosing a different design system from the theme menu. And each of these design systems can be edited with your colors, font, and logo. To add B-roll on top of my footage, I select where I want it to show up and either upload my own media or use AI to generate an image for me. More advanced editing is available in Timeline View. To switch to Timeline View, I click on the button in the lower left. Here, I can make finer tuned edits. I can drag the edges to trim or scrub to find a precise spot to split my clip. To add motion graphics, I click Add Design above the clip's timeline. I can change the duration by dragging its edge here, and can edit it from my list of components on the left. Let's head back to Clip View. This plus button down here is where I can upload more media and add graphics as their own clip, like an intro or outro. I can add background music to my entire project with Soundtrack. It will create a track list I can select from, or I can ask for a specific mood or genre. If I want to resize my video and all of the graphics for different aspect ratios, I click on the Auto Frame menu and select the platform I plan to publish to. When I go to share my project with my team or export my project, those frames will be available. My team can be invited to view my project or leave their feedback with comments. That's it. Reach out to us for more information on our latest updates or if you have any questions.